at Kiss for making it possible. So you know, when I have Kiss on set, I start with breakfast. And it's so easy, so simple to make a nourishing, healthy, delicious breakfast. Using Kiss enriched bread, you have the milk bread as well as the wheat. And I kind of played with both slices here. Yeah? And I am doing French toast. So when people hear French toast, they think, "Ooh, Joy can make French toast." It is so simple. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull together French toast. Just take breakfast up to the next level, a little. I don't know about you, but like when I was smaller, a boy, I used to insist my mother, he didn't like these fellas at all. I just didn't like them. So up to today, I mean, I can't eat them, but so I just wanted to tell you that little story. But I like to cut the bread in half. So I'm just ready cutting the slices in half. Simple ingredients goes in here, guys. 4 eggs. Now important, you crack your eggs in a separate dish and then in here. Just in case you get a bad one. 4 eggs. And I'm starting to season up my eggs. So I have some milk. I'm adding milk to my eggs. Some cinnamon. French toast is that kind of sweet and savory kind of vibes. I have some allspice. Just want a little touch of that. Very strong spice. A little dash of vanilla essence. Once you get all those ingredients in one dish like this, you just bring it together with a whisk. Beat the eggs and milk together. You start to smell that cinnamon. Cinnamon just kind of wakes up the breakfast. If anybody's sleeping now, wake up. In the meantime, I'm getting my pan going nice and hot. You can use oil. You can spray the pan. But I just like to use butter because it adds that level of richness. So I'm just going to add and melt a little butter in my pan. Very important here now, you want the pan melting the butter, but you don't want the butter to burn. You don't want that butter to burn, so because it will spoil your French toast. So you really just want a nice coating. Get that butter all melted. Butter is nice and melted. And I am just going to take my Kiss milk and wheat bread, get it soaked in like that, and in my pan. Bam. Soak, flip, in my pan. 2 to 3 minutes maximum on either side. So it's about 2.5 minutes, and you flip. Easy as that. And that's what you want to get, that nice little toasty look. The eggs just cooking nicely, soaking into the bread. Another 2 minutes on this side, and then boom, your French toast ready to serve. It is that simple. You've got eggs, milk, cinnamon, allspice, a little touch of vanilla essence for that extra flavor, and you can serve up some delicious French toast for breakfast, courtesy of the folks at Kiss. And use their whole wheat, you can use their milk. Breakfast is served in just a couple minutes. My French toast is ready to serve up, and I just want to some simple plating. So I'll do 3 slices. I like to pile them up nicely. With my French toast, I just like a little banana rum sauce kind of thing. Big boy and big girl breakfast. So I have some bananas, simple. that I really just in some butter, a little rum butter sauce kind of thing, basically. And this is really just to go with my French toast this morning. Guys, guess who I have in the house? You heard him to the top. You saw him, we teased him. He is the 2020 Groovy Soca Monarch. I see him perform and he brings me in a happy place. He is bound to put a smile on your face. Ladies and gentlemen, none other than the man they call College Boy Jesse. The happy song.
Who is so happy, happy people. And this is my happy time, breakfast. God, nothing could feel good like this. Floating on the clouds like if I don't have no problem. I feel so happy, it's only good vibes we bring that put me on the ceiling. I just love this feeling, it make me happy. If you wake up in a bad mood, I want you to shake it out. Hey, some people are do good for yourself, but I'm better than them. In this life, when negative vibes it come your way. Breakfast time every day, right? You know how we feel? La da 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 da. Sing the happy song, la da da. Everybody just come along.
You don't like what
yeah man.
I make French toast.
Of course, I mean, we happy eating this morning. You know?
You tell me you make cereal.
Yeah, that's cereal. I mean, I'm a chef at breakfast time. I can make some very cool sandwiches and cereal.
So you can work the kiss bread.
Yeah, of course.
That's
a must.
Tasty French toast. You ever do French toast before?
Yes, I did. It's something that I really liked when I was younger.
Yeah.
Traveling with my parents, and you know, when we go to the hotel and the restaurant here, this is fresh.
I thought that people see it and think, oh good, I can't make this. It's so simple.
Well, first time I actually see, you know. So I feel I will try it. Apart from just the bread and the butter, I could try some French toast.
Take it up a notch.
Yeah, man.
Simple, effective, great start to the day. You're walking around happy, singing the happy song.
Right now, I eating.
La 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 la.